So this is the DianSheng 9cm cube. Now I've had the QiMeng Plus for 2 years now, and I do have a magnetic one. So there is something there, like I do already have a magnetic 9cm cube that I magnetized myself. So I'm hoping this will be slightly better than it, but I don't know. Obviously it is designed for magnets, presumably the QiMeng Plus wasn't. Yeah, there's more natural speed here. This does feel like it's meant to be a bit faster than my QiMeng Plus. But whether that speed is really required, like I kind of feel like I want the tensions a bit tighter if I'm going to solve this fast. Nine! I mean, it doesn't count because it's a hand scramble, but still, that's my second ever sub 10. And my first ever sub 10 being a 6, which you can see if you bother to watch the entire video to the end of my quest to get a sub 10 on the 9cm QiMeng Plus. Right, okay, let's have a look. Corner cutting on here. Okay, yep, it can do 45. I think that is better than my QiMeng Plus. In fact, I think it's better than the 8cm 3x3. Yeah, there is a slight dead spot there. I don't know. It's hard for me to think about this. Like, does it actually make any difference? If you copied the exact same design onto a 9cm cube, would it change how well it corner cuts? Can you do that? I don't really know exactly whether that would work. But yeah, this feels very nice. This feels very much better than the QiMeng Plus. So if you want a 9cm 3x3, this is the one to get. Obviously it's going to have to be about double the price of the QiMeng Plus because it's got magnets. That does add a bit to the cost. Yeah, in fact let's have a look, shall we? Let's have a look at the magnets themselves inside. So we have, right. Okay, so it's just one pretty big magnet and presumably pretty strong. I mean, that looks like what, a 5x2 millimeter and 52 or something probably. I mean, it's going to have to be pretty strong. Obviously, my one I used 2 lots of 4x1.5 and 35s. I don't know how much I trust them being in 35s, considering I probably got them from eBay. Yeah, right. So, yep, one more cube to go. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.